Thank you. As you settle down, the ORPP, and let's get moving. I'm sure you know the panelists here. Honorable Senator Okongo Mugeni, Honorable Waziri Eugene Wamalwa, myself, Opiyo Wandayi, the leader of the delegation of Kenya Kwanza, Honorable Kimani Ichungwah. Over to you, Madam Deritu.
Thank you, Chair, and the members. And this is the Office of Registrar of Political Parties, and together with me, allow me to ask the people I'm with to introduce themselves.
Just mention their names, please.
Yeah.
To save time here.
Thank you. Together with me, I have Assistant Registrar, Mr. Ali, then Assistant Registrar, Florence Bilia, our Head of Legal, Wafula Wakoko, and our Director, Compliance, Daniel Kinuthia. Thank you so much. We have given to you 2 documents, but we want to concentrate on the executive summary because in the interest of time for the proposals. So you have the document written Office of the Registrar, Submission to National Dialogue Committee, Executive Summary. Then we have the other bigger document, which is about 10 pages or so.
Got maximum of 20 minutes, yeah.
Yeah. The Office of Registrar is an independent state office created under the meaning of Article 260 of the Constitution of Kenya